Hey team, so if you've been looking for the perfect pizza base, low in calories, high in protein, this is the base for you. This is 53 calories per slice and 18 grams of protein. So you just need 2 ingredients, team. So where did I get this recipe from? Well, credit where credit's due. Jamie Oliver's 5-ingredient meal book. If you haven't got it, go and get it. It's fantastic. And he has a really cool recipe in there for making these pita breads. Anyway, I took that idea, I wanted to make this lower in calories, and I came up with this very simple pizza base, which is like amazing. So all you're gonna need really is 100 grams of self-raising flour. Okay, get a big mixing bowl, get a weighing scales out, and you just literally got to pop in 100 grams. Okay, in there. Then you're gonna get high protein, plain low fat Greek yogurt. This is 18 grams a serve, and you're gonna put in 80 grams, okay? And the reason is, if you put any more in, it becomes a little bit loose, okay? So then you got that. You can see that in there, and all you do, you mix it up. And then you keep mixing. And what happens is, it starts to form into little balls, okay? So once you've done that, you literally just pop that in. No special effects here, team, we're just doing it right. Pop it in, and then you just get your hands in, and you make a dough. And if it is a little bit loose, like with this one, it was a little bit looser because I hadn't stirred the yogurt. Then you get a nice big ball like that. And all you do, you roll it out, and you got your pizza base. So once you've got it into a nice big ball like this, you just obviously dust the workbench, okay? And this is important, and you just make it into a pizza base. To be honest, there's not much more to it. Get a rolling pin. A salivating dog sitting next to me. Okay, this is no Gordon Ramsay chefing it out here. It's just smashing it out, okay? So the whole pizza base itself is only 428 calories, okay? You can basically, with this pizza base, what I found anyway, you can roll it out really big. And like I said, per slice, if you're looking for about 8 slices, it is only 53 calories, and it is literally 18 grams of protein. And it all comes from the yogurt, obviously. So when you do it, if it starts to stick like that, you just need to put a little bit flour on there, okay, and roll it out. And really, guys, that's it, right? So you can see it actually makes a relatively big base, okay. And what it does is what I tend to do is I'll pop it in the oven first, just till it's golden brown, pull it out, then put all the toppings on. I'm not going to make a whole pizza now, it's just the bread I wanted to show you. And see, really, relative it is, as long as if you're really looking for those low calorie, high protein, you would have things like lean chicken breast, low calorie sort of cheeses, mushrooms, peppers, all those sorts of things, pineapple even maybe, and you just build a pizza like you would anything. But this is really fantastic. So the whole thing, when I do make a whole pizza, the whole thing is only about 600 calories. You can see it's quite a big pizza and quite a big base, whereas a lot of the times if you were to do this on its own, I think some random store-bought pizza base is about 250 calories per slice, and this whole thing, is 420 calories for the whole thing. So that is it. If you did like this recipe, let me know, and I'll try and do some more for you guys. But have a fantastic day. I'll see you on the next one. So really, here's what the finished product looks like. Just a perfect video. It's massive, okay? The whole thing, amazing. So yeah, give it a try. Very easy to make. Take a couple of minutes. And to be honest with you, it's better than most store-bought bases anyway. Give it a try.